Tell me honestly, are you someone who thinks a lot, plan a lot, even pray a lot, but when it's come to action, you feel stuck? If yes, then this episode is for you. Because in this chapter of Makeup Ki Dunya, I am going to talk about what it really means to take action, why it's so important, and how trusting the process can change everything. So, if you right now you are lacking in action, then stay with me till the very end. Because what I'm about to share might be exactly what you need to hear today. Part 1. Honest realization. This is not just advice I'm giving you right now, this is something I have been living myself. There was a time when I was only thinking, only planning, but deep inside I knew I wasn't giving my full 100% into action. I was lacking. And the real turning point came when I admitted it to myself. Yes, I was lacking. That honesty, it changed everything. I decided 2025 will be my year of action. This year I will give my bestest. Not half-hearted efforts, not excuses, not overthinking, but pure consistent action. Not chasing the result, but giving my everything to the process. Daisaku Keda once said, faith is expressed through action. Only when we take action will our prayer bear fruits. And it is so true. Dreams and prayer give us direction, but only action moves the wheel of life forward. Part 2. Small steps build the process. And you know what I realized? Action doesn't always mean taking some huge dramatic step. For me, action looked like this: thinking of a topic, reading about it, writing my script, clearing my doubts, and applying it in my life. These steps may look small on the outside, but together they form a powerful process. And this process is what slowly but surely take us to our dreams. Makeup industry, example 1. I have seen this in makeup too. When I started, I wanted to become really good, but just wanting wasn't enough. I had to practice again and again. Sometimes just blending one eye look for hours, sometimes redoing a face because I wasn't happy, sometimes failing in a trial session. It was those small repeated actions, the endless brushes, the countless blends that slowly gave me the confidence I have today. That's the truth about action. It's not about one big step, it's about small steps done consistently over and over again. Part 3. Breakdowns and push. But let me be honest here. The process isn't always smooth. There was a day when I break down, days when I doubt myself, days when I get angry, irritated, frustrated, moments when nothing feels right. But now I understand. Breakdowns are not the real problems. The real problem is when you let them hold you back completely. That's when you lose. So now, when I feel low, I remind myself, there was a time I had a full flow. Right now, maybe I don't, but that doesn't mean the flow is gone forever. If I keep moving, even if it is just small step, the flow will return, and it will always does. I believe it will, because I am working for it with my whole heart. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, you must do the things you think you cannot do. That is what action means to me. Taking a step forward even when you feel weak. Part 4. Self-push is equal to human revolution. I have realized something very powerful. People around you can push you. They can motivate you. They can support you. But the day you learn how to push yourself, that's the day your success becomes certain. Because no one knows you better than you do. No one knows your strengths, your weakness, your dreams, your fears. When you become your own source of push, and when that day comes, it won't just be about the result, it will be about the joy of the process, the efforts, the growth, the human revolution I gave my full heart to. And if I can do this, then so can you. Because the truth is simple. Action is the real magic. If this message touched you, if it gave you even a little push today, then don't keep it just to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it right now, and subscribe for more real stories from Makeup Ki Dunya. And before you leave, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments what's one small action you are going to take today towards your dream. It would be the tiniest step, but once you write it down, you have already started your process. So go ahead, write your action, and remember, your journey begins right now. Thank you so much.